Hello, here is lesson 1. Lesson 1 is about contractions, and we will use present tense. So the present tense to practice contractions. In English, we use many contractions, especially when we speak and write. Usually like texting, we use a lot of contractions and we are speaking. So a contraction is a shortened form of a word. So you take a word and you cut some words and you make it shorter. And that's called a contraction. So here is one example. You have I am. I am. It's 2 words, but we will cut it and we will say I'm. I'm. So I am is cut to I'm. And you'll notice that the A is cut out and we use an apostrophe instead. So this is an apostrophe. And this is a contraction. So that's I am, cut becomes I'm. Here are some examples. If someone asks, how do you feel? The long way is I am happy today, or I am mad now. Where are you? I am at school, or I am at home. But using contractions, you cut I am, and we will say, I'm happy today. I'm happy today. Or I'm mad now. Where are you? I'm at school. I'm at home. So there you see that I am was cut, and we use the contraction I'm. I'm at school. I'm at home. Let's do another example. She is. She is. We can cut that and change it to she's. She's. So the I was cut and we put the apostrophe. So she is becomes she's. Here are examples. Who is she? She is my sister. She is my daughter. Where is she? She is at school. She is at home. So that's the long way. But we can cut it and make the contraction she's. For example, she's my sister. She's my daughter. She's at school. She's at home. So she is was cut to become she's, and that's the contraction she's. You can also do it with he is. He is cut to he's. He is becomes he's. The I is deleted, and then you put the apostrophe. So the long way, you can say, he is my brother. He is my son. He is good, or he is at home. But using the contractions, we can cut, and now it says, he's my brother. He's my son. He's good. He's at home. So those are the contractions that are cut. He is becomes he's. Here's another example. It is. It is. We cut the I and it becomes it's. It's. So it is cut to the contraction it's. So here are examples. We can say, it is nice to meet you. It is hot today. It is too expensive. it is time to go. That's very long. So when we speak, we will cut it and we will say, it's nice to meet you. It's hot today. It's too expensive. It's time to go. So it is cut to its. We also do it with they are. They are. So they is plural. It could be 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. So when you have many people, it's they, and you will say are. They are. And you cut the A and put the apostrophe. And now it's their. They are there. Here's an example. Who are they? They are my friends. How are they? They are good. Where are they? They are at work. Where are they? They are in Peru. So there you have they are, but you can make the contraction and it sounds like there. Here's another example. They're my friends. They're good. They're at work. They're in Peru. So they are my friends is combined to say they're my friends. They are good. They're good. They are at work. They're at work. They are in Peru. They're in Peru. So next we have we are. We are is cut to the contraction were. We are becomes were. So you can say, we are here. Are you home? No, we are not home. Or yes, we are home. And if somebody asks, how are you? You can say, we are great. We are great. So that's we are, and you can cut it to make the contraction were. So you can say, we're here. Are you home? No, we're not home. Or yes, we're home. Or we're great. So we are becomes were. Finally, we have you are. Even though you is one person, we use are for that one. So you are becomes your. And here the A is cut and it becomes your. So for example, if someone says, you are nice, you are beautiful, you are funny, you can cut it to say, you're nice, you're beautiful, you're funny. So you are can be cut to say your. And those are all the contractions that we use for the to be forms in present tense.